the Lunchbox FPV glasses. Not officially on sale yet, but I'm trying to talk Jason into manufacturing and perhaps getting these on the merch site for it. You know. Anyway, hi. I just wanted to give you a quick little glimpse into what I'm doing here because so much footage from Power of Video this year, and the problem is I have the new Rode mic just sitting down here. I haven't got it plugged in at the minute. That I got for the phone. Unfortunately, I think a couple of times whenever I plugged it in, I didn't plug it in the right way, or didn't plug it in far enough. So unfortunately, I've got a little problem, a little issue of no audio on some of my clips, which is kind of fine because I think the clips that we're talking about was just me talking into camera, and you know, I do go on a bit, so it's fine. So what I want to do is just say this is going to be lots of different little clips, probably more music and a little bit of audio clips from the guys maybe talking, just little snippets from Power of Video 2018, which is absolutely fantastic. If you've never been, you just got to go. Power Video 2018. I'm here with this guy. What's your name?
Hello, my name is Calvin Hamilton.
Calvin, and what do you do?
I work for a guy named Gary Vaynerchuk at his media agency.
And you do all the analytics and all that bits and pieces, don't you?
Yeah, it's a little complicated. My title is social media analyst, but essentially I help run Gary's YouTube channel, Facebook pages, I run his personalized messaging program, I do some paid media marketing campaigns, I ghostwrite for Gary, and then I do agency work with VaynerMedia as a whole.
And how old are you?
I'm 19 years old.
19 years of age, that guy is killing it. He's about to talk today. You nervous at all?
Oh, no, not at all.
Fine.
See the crowd?
I got you some treats.
See the crowd?
I know the crowd. Just some treats for you and the missus.
You're the sweetest guy ever, man. I fucking love you. This guy's the man.
I've got some for you as well. I keep on forgetting how to say your name so I remember. Sentel. Sentel.
Yeah. You got it.
I got it. I got some
Thank you so much, buddy.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, man.
Right, so
Yeah, I've seen this.
He won't let me. We've been embargoed. This is Billy. 2 passes.
You need to. You need to.
Listen, Billy, thank you so much for putting this together. I know you're a busy man this morning, so thank you. This is
You're very, very welcome.
Brilliant. Looking forward to next year.
Me too. Not really, but at some point.
At some point.
In my brain, like I saw Casey do it. How many small creators do we have here? There is no small creator. That's right. That's right.
Oh! what's inside.
Ladies and gentlemen, one more time for your winner, Alex Perry! And that's amazing, that's what culture is. That's the power of creating a culture.
And the camera guys are gonna hit me with this, but I don't care. I wanna be amongst you guys. This is such a beautiful moment for me. So it's actually my second time doing a YouTube speech ever. I'm very excited to be here. And I think this also is really important that I'm here right now, showing you guys that, like, in order to succeed in any industry, you have to push some boundaries.
Steve just pounded a double shot, ready to go, to talk about the power of audio. How awkward would that be? Everyone would just be standing around like this. I guess they just point mics at each other. It would be very interesting. I'm kind of curious. Billy, write it down.
Guys, thank you so much for being here. Make sure to go to our Facebook page. There's a group for all the creators for Power Video where you can share your work, where you can collaborate, and where you guys can comment on everything.
Now that for J.J. Abrams effect. Wow. Anyway, that was the video and bits and pieces of what we got up to at Power Video this year. Absolutely fantastic. Looking forward to the next one. And if you enjoyed it, if you were there, leave a comment below. If you spotted yourself in the video, leave a comment below. If you want to say hello, leave a comment below. And don't forget to lick that subscribe button and smash the like button too. I think that's right. Something like that. Anyway, have a good day. Bye.